Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to January 2019 and welcome to Celebrity Cruise Line's new announcement. They are going to spend an extra $100 million to refurbish all 12 of their ships. Since they've launched the Celebrity Edge, they want the other 12 ships to match up with a lot of the features that the Celebrity Edge has. So over 4 years, 12 ships will be refurbished. 3 will get the treatment this year. The first one to go in will be the Celebrity Millenium. The ship is going to be in there for January and February of 2019. She was built in 2000. She holds 2,170 guests. The second ship to go in will be the Celebrity Summit, built in 2001, and she handles 2,158 guests. The third ship to go in this year will be the Equinox. This will be her first ever refurbishment. She was built in 2009, and she will have major work done on her. 2,850 guests enjoy the Equinox. The upgrades include the addition of a private area for passengers called the Retreat. They're building a sundeck on each of the ships with flush loungers and a retreat lounge. They're also upgrading every cabin on all of these ships with wireless Wi-Fi. The upgrades are so extensive that you'll be able to enjoy internet similar to your home with very high speeds, allowing you to even enjoy Netflix if you want. Upgrades also include RFID locks on the doors. These are radio-controlled frequency locks where in effect you just wave your room card in front of the lock and the door automatically opens. It recognizes that you're there. Cashmere mattresses will be added to the cabins, and there will be upgrades on all of the spa areas and restaurant areas on the ship as well. We'll stay on top of this story as these press releases keep coming out for Celebrity. Join me in the meantime, Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturday at 2 o'clock Eastern. We talk cruise ships 6 days a week, and I invite you to join me for those live shows. Subscribe today, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.